Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make strike through text in YouTube. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up YouTube application on your phone and simply open up that specific post in which you want to make the strike through text. For example, this is the post. I want to add in this post a comment of the strike through text. So here what you have to do is just simply go to the comment section, and here in the comment section simply go to the add comment which is below button. So after tapping on add comment, just simply add that specific comment like hi there. So in order to make it a strike through text, what you have to do is just simply go to the beginning of the text of the comment and simply add the dash, and same here for the at the end. So after what you have to do is just simply add the dash in the beginning and at the end, and simply enter the comment. So after entering the comment, what you guys can clearly see your comment has been strike through in this way. So you guys have to make sure that you are not going to add spaces between comments and that dashes. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.